Alright!
Last game.
Trying to reconnect.
DuExam versus Balay sa Busay.
DuExam versus Balay sa Busay of DSB. Grabe. From DSB, pangatlo mga isa ka team. Ooh. Ball for DuExam. Princess. Steal for Balay sa Busay. Thank you, John G. Rubio. Nga ready ka lang tao, subong.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Wala ka lang mapilido, paano makilala?
Shot clock 10.
3 points! Bam! Basket!
Number 10, 3 points.
Wala pilido. 3 points for number 10. 3-0 para sa Balay sa Busay of GSB. And still again.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
DuExam basket for number 33. 32 gali, sorry. Ano nga kumata? 2-3 Balay sa Busay. Bam! Wala, rebound for DuExam. Again, Satao. Number 31. Number 32. Number 12. Tres. No good foul. Wala foul. Ball for DuExam sa gihapon. Estilo. To again, Satao. Balay sa Busay, number 77. Foul basket. Shout out anay kay Pia Jaja Let Madam. Mayang gabi from Inday, Bangis. Number 77 on the free throw line.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Shout out sa ating mga viewers.
Shot clock 5.
24-second shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation. DuExam ball.
Ball for DuExam. Para sa Balay sa Busay. 3 points on foul. Rebound. Stepping on the line.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
7:30 remaining. First quarter. Again, Satao for 3. Rebound for Balay sa Busay. And steal by DuExam. Number 32. Nice pass. Basket. 4-5. Isaban sa isang Balay sa Busay of GSB. Dotang twister. Shout out madam kay Jasper Apialda. Salamat from Vans. Nice block. 12 seconds on shot clock. Tres. Oh, good. Isa pa good. Basket. 7-4 para sa Balay sa Busay versus DuExam. DuExam ball. It's Satao for 3. Kabos. And still for against Satao.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Inside out to Fuentes. Basket. 6-7. Isa ba sa isang Balay sa
Remaining
Busay?
time 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
nabuyan. Steal for Do Exam, number 12. Estilo. Yung pasa to number 32, to Fuentes. Wala pa, rebound para sa Do Exam sa gihapon. And Jumbo. Shout out kay Yam Hofilenya. Shout out. Ball for Do Exam. Fuentes. Basket. Abansa na ang Do Exam. 8-7. Number 3. No good. Ball for Balay Sabusay. Number 3, Saliwat. On the attack. Oh. Steal for Do Exam. Uy! Uy! Wala pa. Isa pa gid. Foul. Score 8-7 for Do Exam. Shout out, Joanne.
Foul number 29, that is first personal foul. Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
First attempt, basket. 9-7. Second free throw. Rebound for Balay Sabusay. 9-7 para sa Do Exam. Number 77. Rebound for Do Exam. Lumay up basket. 11-7 for Do Exam.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Number 3. Game pasa. Oy, stepping on the line. Time out. Do Exam. Time out for Do Exam. Pa-shoutout, madam. Happy birthday to Ernie Francisco. Happy birthday. Ernie Francisco and kay Michael Pabalinas. Shout out. Happy birthday. Linong ba, no? Sige. Wala pa. Dagay-dugay goro. Padalas ako na merti. Shout out kay Francis Aburdol and kay Barbie Imperial. I love you ko, no? Uy.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Do Exam ball. Ginsataw. Drop. 32. And still Fuentes. Again. Basket. 13-7 for Do Exam. Short. Steal. Rebound for Do Exam. Ginsataw on the attack. Layup. No good.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
3 minutes. 3 minutes remaining. Tres. Rebound for Balay Sabusay sa gihapon. Number 30.
Foul number 12. That is second personal foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Oh, ito daw. Pila na? Number 30 on the free throw line. First attempt short. Ano ba? Boya ng helmet nyo, ah?
Sa kalibo dam?
No. Second attempt, number 30. No good. The rebound for Fuentes. Out of bounds. Sorry, buto. Thank you so much, Sir Liolito. Sa Team Nalagan for the 50 stars. Thank you so much. Good evening, ma'am. Kag sa tanan mga viewers, enjoy the game. Thank you so much, Sir Liolito. Thank you. Good. Team Nalagan, please like and follow their page. Thank you so much. Salamat, kid sir. Thank you. Shout out guys sa nagtala nga 1K and 20 pesos sa amon nga. sa amon di nga table, wala gito da pero pamahaw lang ah. Lo, into lang 1,000 Gcash ba? Shout out LA declines super players ang Balay Busay from 3D Lopez the third. Bam! 3 points for number 77. 10-13. Ginsata short. Balay sa Busay ball of DSB. Sino naman nanalo pa sa first game? Langgid. Rebound for the exam. Daog ang ano gani? Greenwich.
Foul number 10. That is first personal foul.
Foul for number 10. 13-10 ang score for the exam. LA declines. Basket for Fuentes. Wow. Second attempt. Basket again for Fuentes. 15-10. Do exam. Good evening. Shout out sa RRC down. Salamat kayo daling kay Rogel Alemania. Rebound for Fuentes again. Layup, no good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Ball for Duexam.
Shot clock 16 seconds.
Pero may good karma and bad karma. Again, Sato for 3. No good.
Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Out of bounds.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Thank you, madam. Welcome. Good shout out na sa NRRC. NRRRC. Okay. Salamat po. Shout out uli sa mga taga Silainon Family Gomez. Haring kay Gomez Jaren. Shout out. Si Family Gomez. And wala. Isa pa. Wala magyapon.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Still for Balay sa Busay. Duwa ka mo. Number 3 for 3. Short. Again, Sataw on the attack. Migim pasa basket.
30 seconds.
17-10 for Duexam. Number 77.
Shot clock 15
And there's a
seconds.
foul. 30 seconds remaining.
Foul number 31. That is first personal foul.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Ibalik mo eh. Salamat po, Madam.
Remaining time 30 seconds. 15.
Game pass out to Ginsata. No good. Fuentes on the follow up. Sabi sa Fuentes. 19-10 for Duexam. Balay sa Busay ball. Number 77. Bounce. And the first quarter.
And the first quarter score 19-10 in favor of Jexam.
19-10 for Jexam. May gawangal sa likod. Ay, gali. Huwag kita, dapat pa mahaw man daw. Uy, lagi ka mo kapakatag may inasal dagali. Grabe, pala yung batasan. Mark Pasino! Wala laging tago-tago, malang inasal. Ready. May batasan sa inyo, no? May inasal dagali. Laging tago-tago nyo lang, no? Wala na eh. Second quarter. Ano ba? May nasal. Abi ko biskwit lang. Abi ko wala yung nasal. Jexam ball. Uy, upod mo na. Shout out lang da kay Raymond Villaruel and kay Eric Mijares.
Shot clock 14 sa top. Shot clock 10.
Rebound for Balay sa Busay, EBM. EBMag? EBMag. Ang EBMag to ya bro, EBM ya ano mo, jersey mo. Bam!
Bay, ano na jersey na sa jersey? Pero taga this bin.
Dilo rides ba no? Night ride.
Shot clock 14 sa top.
Jexam ball, game pasa sa kontra. Quick shot! No good. Isa pa, there's a foul.
Foul number 25, that is first personal foul.
Ano wag ang ba? Kiatchon. Kiatchon. First attempt, no good. Lagyapon. Rebound for Jexam. Nice pass and blocked. Denied. Shout out kay third kag CJ nga mga chicks boy sa Plaza Madam. Halin kay Abel Valente. Shout out lang da sa referee nga si Jake Andrada. Halin kay Eric Mijares. Grabe, may fan bala si ref. Number 7. And another one. Basket.
Number 7.
Shout out kay number 7 Rosales. Go to. Halin kay Larry Ann Rosales. Uy! Hindi kayo dog ba?
Foul number 7, that is first personal foul.
Bumangga, giba.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Basa.
Jexam ball, 19-12. Arceo, Foul.
Foul number 6, that is first personal foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Oh, traveling.
Trouble.
19-12 for Jexam, second quarter.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Trivia, Balay Sabusay is from DSFB. Pa sila. Bam! Wala. Rebound pa gido. For Kiatchon. Wala short. Jump ball.
Remaining time 7 minutes.
19-12, number 6 to Miran. Rebound for number 7. There's a foul.
Foul number 25, that was second personal foul.
Number 7 on the free throw line. First attempt, basket. 19-13. Second attempt for number 7. Basket again. 14-19. Lima avances ang DUXM. And still, for Balay Sabusay, there's a foul. Ang pota to, number 19. 19. Tingnan mo, gatan. Ow. Number 6 for 3. Ball for DUXM. 19-14. Game pasa to number 13 to number 29. Basket. 21-14.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
21-14 for
So clock
DUXM.
13 seconds.
Number 7. Isa pa, iyapagid gyapon, wala gyapon sa pagid. Number 18. Wala gid. Foul.
Time out, DUXM.
Time out for DUXM
Remaining
again.
time 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Oy, diin ka, Ace. Te, nakapapite ka na. Time out for DUXM. 21-14 ang atong score. Second quarter. Shout out sa atong referee, Jake Andrada.
From Eric Meade.
From Canada. Import na. Switzerland. Shout out lang kay Bonso Villaruel, alin kay Eric Mijares. Jake Sambo. Number 25 blocked by Kiatchon. Kiatchon. Budlay sa mga skill. Shout out Briggs Photography 6110. Please like and follow his page. Ato na, grupo na. And still for Balay Sabusay, number 6, basket.
Number 6.
21-16.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Number 29 for 3. Basket. 24-16.
Remaining time 5 minutes.
5 minutes remaining, second quarter. There's a foul.
Foul number 19, that is second personal foul.
Fourth team fouls. Number 6 on the free throw line. No, wala sila apelido. Basket. 24-17. Kalin mong da, yun ba? Second attempt. Basket again. 24-18. Watching from Basurahan. Shout out Helston Casolino Cabrera from Ace Aguilan.
Ang balakit ko na lang.
Tagad to sa kuno. Ang puli na lang sa kuno.
Sarang ito piyak mo.
Nakapapite ka na S. Agay na may nabi.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Pila na? 20. 24-20 for due exam. Apat na lang. Kiachan lumusot! Basket! Mayong gabi sa naka 19K followers ang daan. Thank you so much, Tito Chad of Tito Salsilay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 24-22. Duwa na lang ang abase sa due exam. Thank you, Tito Chad. Time out.
Time out. Balay Sabusay.
For Balay Sabusay all the way from Don Salvador Benedicto. Tongue twister. Balay Sabusay. Balay Sabusay.
Balay busay. Tol, balay busay.
Abi ko gani isa patag. Ano page mo?
Ang balisero, balay busay. Balay busay.
Balay sa busay mo sa ila jersey mo, hindi ka mo magpansa ko kaging basa, kaging jaday. From John Salvador Benedicto. Oh. Eh?
Sam do egg, yes, mo. Sam do egg.
Do exam. Ano meaning ka do exam?
To
Rocket. Rocket. Trivia.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Garo-garo.
Shot clock 5.
Coach. Tres! Short! Rebound! 4! Balay sa basay. Catch on. Lo, ini yan naman oh. Number 6! Basket.
Number 6.
Wallace 24!
Remaining time 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Coach. Pag third quarter lang.
20K ka lang na price ka lang sa
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Mag 20K, mag Gcash sa liwat. Oh, foul. Please like and follow para maka 20K ko before my
Foul
anniversary.
number 7, that is foul number 27, that is second personal foul. Remaining time 3 minutes.
Trivia na gani sa third quarter.
ngalan na X Samuel Do. Duya apelido na. Do apelido yun na ang X Samuel ng Chinese name.
Oh, trivia. Ano ko no meaning sa do exam? Basketball number 25. 25-24. Isa base sa do exam.
Mga tagdumi mo pero may makapakot.
Hindi ako na eh. Ako na nasa bata eh.
Ang edad.
And basket for number 7.
Number 7.
Balik ang abase sa Balay sa Busay. 26-25.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Up and steal for Balay sa Busay. Catch on. Wala. Shout out Langda kay Hernan Rubica Magwapuhon. Tama, kas lang. sorry. 24. sorry. Chinese name of the family, Patriarch Samuel Du. Oh, may nakabalo. Chinese name of the family, Patriarch Samuel Du. From Tito Chad. Titos Salsilay. Samuel Du. Chinese name. No good. Rebound. Wallace 26. Hindi na ko pagwaon base madula ko kuno we.
Shot clock 15
Kwapuhon.
seconds.
Aba na, who is the president?
Basket for number 6. Balik ang base sa Balay Sabusay, 28-26.
Remaining time 2 minutes.
Rebound for Balay Sabusay.
1 minute and 50 seconds.
1:50 remaining, second quarter. Balbal, boss, live on sang Jew exam from Francis. Inulan, wala ka pa dugay kay upod ko si Melas, tapos nakita ko si Crush. 30-26 para sa Balay Sabusay. Tres! Rebound for Balay Sabusay.
Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1:20. 26-30.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
Kia Chon lumusot. No good. Juik Sambo. 29. Game pass to number 20. Game pass to number 8.
1 minute.
28-30. Diin na ang premyo ko. Aerox lang naton nga repo. Basta gadalagan kagaandar sang tarong
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
And still baka mga grupo do exam duty patapos from Norman Rubica, and there's a foul. Kiatchon again.
Both teams penalty na.
Both teams penalty.
Remaining time 37 seconds.
28-32 para sa Balay Sabusay. Norman Blancha.
Jake, siya foul. 25.
25. No good for Kiatchon. Number 6.
Number
Basket.
2. Remaining time 30 seconds.
32-28. Number 29. There's a foul. Penalty.
Foul number 7, that is second personal foul.
29 on the free
Remaining
throw line.
time 32 seconds.
First attempt, basket. Bakod-bakod, mga grupo, do exam, duty para buwas. Second attempt. Basket, 30-34. Balay Sabusay ball.
20 seconds.
20 seconds remaining.
15.
Number 6, basket. Easy basket for number 6. 36-30.
5.
Press, short. Nice pass. 32-36. That is the end of our second quarter.
36-32 in favor of Balay Sabusay.
Busay sa balay.
36-32 para sa Balay Sabusay, all the way from Don Salvador Benedicto. Kulang ang example yan. Trivia.
Sino ang tagiya? Who is the first mayor of the municipality of Don Salvador?
Okay. Who is the first mayor of the municipality of Don Salvador Benedicto?
Ang makasabat.
Ang mga sabat, may premyo kamo kay Sir Samuel Lapos. Kaya siya nagpamangkot.
Isense yata lang sa Gcash.
Dali, answer na. Wala search ay sa Google ah. Galing, hindi mo balo. Who is the first mayor of the municipality of Don Salvador Benedicto?
Ang time 10.
Pila premyo.
10 seconds lang.
Nice Mac Padilla. Dugang score tayo grupo halong git pa balas lang. Patubang tsura ni Sir Sam oh, pangilalahan ikaw siya sukpa. Pagid sunata ba? Si Tito Sabsilay. Tito Chad.
Ano Chad?
Sir, complete tama. Kulang plate. Kulang sila isa.
Kulang man sila isa? Ah, dua? Plus 2 plus 4?
Plus 2 lang.
Pinuha ko lang mo.
Minus 1 mo nun.
Ah, plus 2 lang.
Plus 2 lang.
Okay. Thank you, Rep, for the clarification. Si Grapple na ito, manukot. Grapple, ano si Grapple? Manukot. Kadlawan niya lang ka dito, Chad.
Isa lang. Okay ko lang.
Kapit na barangay? Ano naman? Limod lang sa Victor.
Pati plus 4 sila yun. Ato na.
Kasi ka-block ka ng oras na ra.
Plus 4. Tatlo ko lang.
Ah, tatlo, tayo plus 4.
Hindi may plus. Sir, hindi may plus. Plus 2.
Tatlo ko lang nila isa na doon.
Ay.
$42.32 plus 4 ang balay sa Busay. Kulang 3 players. Sangju exam. 12 lang sila. Tapos ang balay sa Busay 3. Ay, 14 lang. Third quarter. Shout out kay Helstan Casolino Cabrera. Haling kay Arjin Casolino Cabrera.
Nakapasikat. Isa. Naka-yellow hanggang naka-blue sapatos. Tatlo sila. Ito ko lang sila. Ano na?
40-32 final score. Third quarter. Third quarter na to. Plus 4 ang balay sa Busay. Na mo shout out sa akong baway ko di kwarta. Wala ka naman send stars, baka naman. Charot. Sa una pa na iaguro ya. Number 13.
Number 13.
34-40.
Basta.
Basa. Balay sa Busay, bong. To number 10. No good. Oops. Ball for due exam.
Shot clock 2.
Number 8. To number 4. Basket.
Number 4.
36-40. Bumabawi ang due exam.
Shot clock 15.
Number 17.
Number
Basket.
17.
42-36. foul.
Foul number 10, that is first personal foul. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Traveling. 42-36 for Balay sa Busay. Number 16.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Short. Rebound. Wala pa gid. Rebound sa gihapon for Balay sa Busay. To number 8.
Shot clock 10.
Balay sa Busay ball. Number 17. There's a foul.
Foul number 4, that is first personal foul.
42-36. No good. Second attempt. Number 17. Basket
Number
again.
17.
44-36. Jurek ball. Number 4. And ay,
Backcourt violation.
bigla pa. Backcourt violation, 44-36. Tres, dos. Rebound for Jurek Sam.
Remaining time 7 minutes.
Nice pass in, nabuyan.
Shot clock 12.
Oh, block.
Shot clock 9 seconds.
Bola. Oo. Nachiboy, gabi nga mga ano. Oh, yung mga bata niyo.
Shot clock 9.
Best! Rebound for Balay sa Busay. Basket!
Basket.
Grabe, hindi mo sagang. Number 8.
Foul number 19, that is third personal foul.
(46-36). Bonus throw for number 8. No good. Rebound. Jurek Sam. Out of bounds. Balay sa Busay po.
Remaining time 6 minutes.
Uy! Stepping on the line. Laota do exam Sarakana.
Balay sa Busay.
Sila score ta guys from Norman Blancha. 46-36. Sino time out? Balay sa Busay. Time out. 46-36. Paano bi ko mag-puff? Kabi nga higop-higop. Bi pila naka-puff nga count. Muna gani.
sa 8K mga puffy.
Kung kusog kayo mag-puff B.
8K puffy, may pulo lang at daw sa ako. Ma-burn niya, wala na yan pa. Burn niya na yan kapatiyan mo.
Zoo exam ball, 46-36. Ay! Okay, 8 seconds.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Balay sa side ball. Oo. Basket
Number 15.
for number 15. 48-36. First game. Basket for number 4. Pikachu. Nagsabat. Number 8 for 3.
Number 8, 3 points.
51-38.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Number 8. Basket.
Number 8.
53-38 na. Hala, hala, hala. Rebound for Dixon. Number 13. To number 18. To number 17. Kasalala ka mga ano, basket.
Number 17.
55-38.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Kasalala kang may uniform. Number 4. Basket. 55-40. Oy! Oy!
Remaining time 3 minutes.
Number 8, nice pass. Basket.
Number 19.
42-55. Number 15.
Number
Basket.
15.
57-42. Hey! Hey! Number 4, wala. Rebound 4. Balay sa busay. 2 versus 1. Wala. Rebound 4. Zoo exam.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
4-3. Oh, good. Ooh.
Number 8.
59-42.
Remaining time 2 minutes.
Go, Idol Francis Hinolan. Uy. From Kent Bustillo. Number 8 again. Jake Sambo. To number 8, 19.
Number 18.
59-44. Uy!
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Number 13. Ay, wala pa. Hindi na umigo. Uy!
Trouble.
Time out.
Time out. Duexam.
For Duexam, 59-44.
Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Francis Inolan, Kent, Pantaleon, Bustilo, wala ka na boss ya pre, walang tagalan taon live.
$55 seconds.
Oh, for Balay Sabosay, number 8.
Number 8. 40 seconds.
Duexam ball. Basket for number 11. 61-46.
30 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
To number 16. A good rebound, number
15
11.
seconds. 10.
Ay!
6 seconds. Remaining time 6 seconds.
Pula. Daway mo ba pa dyan? It's a prank.
6 seconds.
5.
3 points. And the third quarter, 61-46.
And the third
For Balay
quarter, 61-46 in favor of Balay Sabosay.
Grabe nga paglawag ba? Wow! Kahanes nga bata. Pila score ka gina? Pila score ka gina?
95, 97.
No, ganda no?
Sila, nagkatani. Ay, next game, magaling, no?
Hindi ka man ba? Fourth quarter!
Ala ko, dahil huli ay... Sport na? Sabi ko, third ko lang.
Lawag ay na.
So, hindi mo na makakorta. Alam mo muna ako magamala.
Kiachon! Awas! Rebound for Duexam! Against Satao.
Wait, pero na ni Sir.
To Fuentes! Wala. Rebound for Balay Sabosay, number 77. To number 3, to number 6. Uy!
Nice work for number 6.
63-46. 3 points! Bam! Oh, there's a foul. Maperde na yung exam sa ila. Hindi gid na yung maaprobahan nila. Mga CI mo. Joke lang. Wala may ma-approve. First and 10, no good. Estilo, number 12, second attempt on the free throw line. Wala sa gihapon. Kiachon on the rebound. Number 6 again.
Number 6.
Takos-takos ang ringan. 65-46. Fuentes.
Shot
Good
clock
set out.
13 seconds.
Bam! Rebound for Duixam. Fuentes. Nice pass! Ow! Aspa. Number 3. Number 6. Game pass out to number 7. Rebound by Fuentes. Steal for number 6. Number 3 to Kiachon. Nice pass. Basket.
Number 7. Remaining time 8 minutes.
Gusto ko mag-overtime.
Again, Sataw. Uy! Uy! Kiachon. 69-46. Balay sa busay. Again, Sataw. There's a foul.
27. Third personal foul.
Foul number 27, that is third. Personal foul.
Kung may pagduwa-duwa ka pa.
Yung transition na ako.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
And still. Number 6. Suki at
Shot clock 13 seconds.
rebound for against Sataw.
Remaining time 7 minutes.
Big ball lang.
Out of bounds.
Up. Bula.
Number 17 to number 8. Fuentes, no good. Rebound for number 77. 7. Aray 11 yun. Untal. 11 yan. Number 6.
Number 6. Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Number 11 dribbling the ball. Number 11.
71-46.
Number 11. Pasa kay number 32 for 3.
Short.
Sub.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Ayan po mga biyot sa akin.
Aluminum glass.
Number 3.
Or 2. Wala. Rebound number
One.
15. Kiki Claude. Outside.
May bago na din nga commentator for tonight's video. Commentator / magpitik.
Sab.
Substitution.
Substitution.
71-46. Balay sa busay ball sa gihapon.
Remaining time 6 minutes in this fourth quarter.
Sure, abansi madam, abansi ang balay sa busay 71-46.
Number 31 dribbling the ball.
Yes, hindi ka daan.
Pass to number 12. Balik kay number 31.
Good Sato. Oh, matakin! No good. Number 77. 77. Oh, blocked by Princess. Shoko. Good Sato.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Kabos. Rebound for number 3. No good. Number 10 again. Rebound. Out of bounds. Substitution.
Sub.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Number 8.
Number
Basket.
8.
73-46.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Galong.
Sub.
Timeout.
Timeout, DXM.
73-46. Timeout for DXM.
Disneyland. Ba, ako dami mo kami. Ako ganito. Soda. May pa motor to. Si Taro, tapos sa Avengers.
Sino naghampang Team DXM versus Balay Sabasay of GSB?
Alin ba ni sila sa Sipalay? Creative.
Back to the ball game. Number 8 lang kilala ko, Joshua. Si number 8. Joshua man lang ko, no?
Pwede si Joshua kasi ako na
Number 8. Back to number 8. To number 17. No good. Rebound for number 25. Tugin Sarao, number 31. And steal for number 8. Lumea.
Number 8.
75-46 for Balay Sabusay. Gio Olvido Maalat, shout out. Ginsara to Fuentes. Basket. 75-48 to number 8 again. Oh. Sadyay.
Remaining time 4 minutes.
75-48. Estilo kag Pradilla Bascugana from Romel Gonzaga. Wala ba yung mga apelido? Hindi ko makilala. Tres. Rebound for Fuentes. Nabuyan. $75-48 for Balay Sabusay. Fourth quarter.
Shot clock 12 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Steal for number 4. Foul basket.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
50-75. Romelo, number 4, on the free throw line. Bonus throw. Oh, good. Arceo Bascugan nanin kay Romel Gonzaga. Number 17. No good. Rebound, GXM. Number 29. Intercept by number 8.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2:30
Shot clock
remaining.
14.
To number 15. To number 1. 31. To Fuentes. Wala pa. Fuentes again. Basket. 52-75.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
2:10.
Shot clock 14. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes of the ball game. Number 15 for 3. No good. Rebound for
1
GXM.
minute and 15
Big
seconds.
Sato on the attack. No good. And there's a foul.
Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Shot na, shot.
Penalty.
Siya pal.
Shout out ko dagari madan si Boss.
Personal foul penalty.
Boss Titikok nga do exam victorious loya player ta. Boss aw abe pakaldohe boss from Norman Balancia. Sino abanse ang balay sa Busay 75-52.
Shot clock 15. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Number
Shot
8
clock
again.
10.
For 3. No good. Ball for do exam. Here's a foul.
Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds.
1:10 remaining. 75-52. Balay sa Basay of DSB. No.
Shot clock 15. Remaining time 1 minute.
Rebound.
55 seconds.
55 seconds remaining. Kamang aloy ka player mo, Boss Norman Balancia.
50 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds.
75-52.
Shot clock 10. 30 seconds.
Out of bounds. Yung pasa
37 seconds.
yung pasa sa referee. 2 Fuentes. Why?
Foul number 8 that is fourth personal foul. Remaining time 34 seconds.
Fuentes on the free throw, no good. Wala Japon. Balay sa Busay ball.
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. 5 shot clock.
End of the ball game. Final score 75-52. Congratulations. Congratulations, Balay sa Busay, our best player of the game. Number ano? Number 6.
20 points.
20 points. Ano yung apelido?
Lorente. Bella tama. Friends Lorente, first player. Dam.